What is Sally's? Sally's is a school that teaches more than academics. We learn how to dance, sing, and act. We also learn how to love Filipino culture like playing palarong Pinoy and wearing our traditional barot saya and barong Tagalog. We help people who are in need, people who are affected of typhoons, people who are already an orphan. We also use play for a cause. We have Battle of the Bands to show our different talents. We are competing to show gratitude to our alma mater like Cavs Kaa, DSPC, Pagalingan, and Sudoku. How can we show our love to Sally's community? Simply by being loyal. Loyalty means a lot because it shows love and trust to your alma mater. This is Sally's. They grow tiny seeds to mighty trees.